It's easy to succeed with promoted listings. Just follow our 4 top tips and give your business the ultimate boost. Start by thinking about what you want to achieve with promoted listings and set up your campaigns to reflect this. Are you focusing on a brand, a category, a price, or seasonality? If you logically group items together, it'll be easier to measure performance and visibility. High-quality listings generally benefit from greater visibility, so make sure you have accurate titles with relevant keywords. Use clear photos with a white or transparent background, and price your items competitively. When launching a campaign, you may see listings flagged as recommended. We recommend listings that have the highest potential to benefit from being promoted, based on factors such as marketplace trends and buyer demand in the item's category. Why not give our recommendations a try with your next campaign? Staying competitive is easy with our suggested ad rate guidance. The suggested ad rate is based on a variety of factors designed to help you find the perfect balance between performance and cost. Factors may include item specifics, past performance, seasonality, and current competition. This new feature will make it easier for you to find the ad rate that's right for your inventory and margins. Kickstart your promoted listings campaigns today. Now that you've heard the top tips, it's time to start promoting. You'll find promoted listings under the Marketing tab in Seller Hub. Alternatively, follow the link in the description below the video. Your new campaigns are just a few clicks away. Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.